anymore. I don't know. Oh, go Nathan. Oh.
Back and forth with his knee. That's what they see the ladies in the gym doing.
Oh, Nathan, the pro hula.
Oh, it's going on. Oh! Oh, bring it over here. Bring it over here. What? Bring it in.
Oh, and he can turn.
Like, you don't control.
Now bring it down, bring it down.
Oh!
Oh, back off, dude. It's throwing. They're throwing down. This is serious stuff.
You think they're a little competitive?
I think they get along fantastic. I just am blown away. The camaraderie those two guys have, that's incredible.
He misses his brother.
You better be able to successfully bring it down. Oh, he pulled it off.
Nathan brought it from his neck to his waist.
Oh! So did Dustin. So did Dustin. That's why he was doing it.
Oh.